Hi everybody, it's Laura here from the County of Brant Public Library. I want to welcome you back to Let's Get Growing. And a few weeks ago you might remember we did a series on container gardening, and I've got my container tomato here. I talked about in that video wanting to provide a fertilizer for you, and after doing some research I have. I think the best possible option you can have at home that is cost effective and easy to come by is coffee grounds. So you can use any type of coffee that you have at home. It doesn't have to be any specific brand or type. It could be a French press or an instant or the type that you put in a coffee maker. So what you do is brew up your coffee as you would, and then take the grounds out at the end. There you go, we've just got a bowl of coffee grounds here. And you're just going to add the grounds about once a week or so to your plants. So take a spoonful. And I'm just, here, let me move this guy out of here. Go. I'm just going to sprinkle it on that top layer of soil. You can also mix it in just a little bit, just to help combine it with the soil. There's no rhyme or reason about how much, really, just eyeball it until you think that you've got a good amount for your plant. Now, the other thing you can do is brew up a really strong coffee. So you would let it sit overnight, a mixture of coffee with water. I have a couple articles I'm going to link down below, and they will give you some good amounts for how much water to how much coffee. And then you would just pour it on like a little drink for your plants. And the coffee itself will help to stimulate the growth in the plant and hopefully give you some good produce at the end of the year. So that's really all that you need to do to fertilize your plants. It's really quick and easy. And you used to be able to get coffee grounds at cafes. They would dump them outside in a container. I can think of one in Port Dover. And you were able to just go and scoop up what you wanted to take home for your garden. I don't know if cafes are doing that right now, probably not, but that's a source you could look for in the future too. I also just wanted to let you know that now that we have curbside pickup again, you are able to put holds on items at any of the branches and come and pick them up. So we have a number of great gardening resources that you can look at online. So this one, for example, is the new Self-Sufficient Gardener by John Seymour. I've actually been referring to this a lot for these videos, and it has every aspect of gardening, beautiful pictures in there too, and it can give you a good idea of all around gardening techniques, tips, and tricks. You might also remember this one, from last week, Homegrown Pantry. So we have so many titles that you can look at. Just go on www.brantlibrary.ca, preview the titles, and see which ones might be of interest to you right now. You just have to place a hold on them or call a branch for information about them, and the branch will call you back with a pickup time. So there you go, another quick, easy gardening project for you. I hope you try it out and let me know how it goes. So take care, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.